We're Danielle and Chris from the Split Arrow Farm. We just purchased 10 acres of land and are looking to turn it into the homestead of our dreams. After weeks of preparing, we're finally getting chickens. Come join us along in our journey. Okay, so we're heading to our local Tractor Supply and we're now gonna pick up our first set of chickens. I already called up ahead and they said that they have some egg layers and some meat chickens. So now we're just hoping that they have enough of all of them. They said they had a lot.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I've been working on the barn, so they better have some for your chickens.
And we'll let you guys know how it goes once we're there. Over here we got some Southern Ramblers, Cornish Cross, Easter egg layers. We're gonna get a couple of them. And little bantams. Look at what we got.
They're all herded together. Cute little things. They're dirty though.
They are dirty. Let's pop two in there.
Let's get them inside.
Right. Get them in.
Look at the chicken. Hey, relax. Relax. See? Look. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
This is our little chickpeas. Oh, today we got our chicks from Tractor Supply, so we're really excited. We got 10 egg layers and 10 meat chickens, and we're going to be doing a bunch of fun stuff around these chickens. So you're definitely going to want to follow our chicken series, but we have such cuties, and we're going to add them to the brooder that we made. And these are our golden comets. Little cuties.
Nice. You like the birds?
Now, something to remember is, although they are really small, they actually are pretty strong animals. So you don't have to worry about grabbing a few at one time. They're very tolerable. Oh, guys, get that cool.
To your new temporary home.
So all these guys are in their brooder. We're gonna go ahead and I actually have some rocks. We're gonna fill this water with rocks and we're gonna head out into our barn because they're all out there. So come on. Now this rock pile isn't for shows. We're actually working on a project which is coming soon, so you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already and make sure to follow along with what we're coming up with next. This rock bag's really stuck in here. Okay, so these are gonna use for our rocks.
All right.
And then while we're out here, let's really quick check on our rabbits.
Just looking. Yeah. Doing good, guys. Keep it up.
So we're gonna fill this baby up.
I was really hoping you were gonna try and just pour that on top of it. It would have been awesome.
Flip it over. And then in here, because the chickens are so young, they're only a few days old. Sometimes you'll get them at 1 or 2 days old. They can actually drown in the water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of these stones, we're gonna clean them off and just put them in the bottom. And this will prevent any of the chicks from drowning. Now you can put rocks, marbles, really anything, and this is what you'll do probably for the first week or two until they get a little bit older and then you don't have to do it. Probably should clean out our sink first.
Max, what you got going on over here? Ooh. There you go, you put the water over there.
Watch out, little chickers. Okay. And then what you can actually do is just take one of the birds and dip its beak in the water. And then it will know that there's water in here, and it will start to tell the other chicks that there's water in there as well. So chicks are actually really smart birds, and they learn from each other, so you'll definitely see that.
Looky, looky. What do you think? What do you think? You're a good dog? That's a good... Oh, no. Hey. No paw. She's too small. See?
And make sure that whenever you're done playing with your chickies, you do wash your hands. It's really important, especially when you have kids playing with your chicks or your pets. Make sure that you're really washing your hands because they do hold salmonella, and you want to make sure that nobody gets sick from your little new friends. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on our chicken experience, and we hope to see you along on our next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already a part of our journey, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.